I've heard this statement, which I don't agree with, like whatever the state says to do, as long as it's not explicitly against scriptures, then we do it. I don't hold that. I say whatever the state tells us to do within their sovereign sphere, we do. That's not against scriptures or violates the sphere in which they have. Like I have a sphere of jurisdiction over my family, and I might tell your family or you who have your own children, I might say, you need to do this to your kids, for your kids. And what I'm telling you to do is actually not sinful. So you can't, but I still don't have the right. I don't have the right to tell you how to rule your family over issues that are not my authority. So you can take my advice, you can leave my advice, but you don't have to submit to my advice because I don't have authority over your family. Well, the state doesn't have authority over a lot of these things that they want to take authority, because the problem with the state is they don't believe in God. They put themselves in the place of God, and so the state has become a religion, and they want to have total surveillance. They want to have total submission, and they want to say, jump, we jump. They want to tell us to take this, to do that. This is them. This is the state. This is paganism, where the state becomes God. It becomes a religion. It's a paganistic religion. And so, yes, we submit to authorities, civil authorities, local and national, but we do so without giving up the rights that God has given us over our personal self, preservation of soul and spirit, and the rights that God's given us to protect our family. So I'm going to protect my family from the state if the state is going to hurt or violate the freedoms, the conscience, the protection of my children.